Today I'll walk you through how to fix image upload issues in MailerLite so you can get back to building your campaigns without the frustration. If this helps, hit like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by checking your image file format. Log in to MailerLite, open your editor, and confirm the file is a supported type: JPG, PNG, GIF, or WebP. Anything outside those formats simply won't upload. Next, check the file size. Large files can stall or fail entirely, so compress your image with a tool like TinyPNG or Squoosh before you retry. Make sure the image isn't corrupted. Open it on your computer. If it won't display correctly, recreate or re-export it from the original source. Also check the file name. Rename it to something short and clean with no special characters or spaces. Something like header-image.jpg is exactly what you want. Check your internet connection next. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt uploads midstream, so refresh the page and try again on a stable network. To quickly isolate the issue, try uploading a completely different image. If that one succeeds, you know the original file is the problem. If things still aren't working, refresh your browser and retry. Then clear your cache and cookies. Old cache data can interfere with file uploads in ways that are hard to predict otherwise. Switch to a different browser and test the upload there. Disable any browser extensions too, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, since these commonly block upload requests without showing any error message. Opening an incognito or private window is a fast way to test in a clean environment. It strips extensions and cache data in one step. Back inside MailerLite, check your account storage. If you've reached a limit, delete some unused files to free up room. On the image side, resize anything with very large pixel dimensions down to web-friendly sizes. Email images rarely need to exceed 1200 pixels wide, and high-resolution files add weight without any visible benefit. If drag and drop isn't working, switch to the file selection button instead. And if you're pulling the image from cloud storage, download it locally first before attempting the upload. Always make sure the MailerLite editor has fully loaded before you begin, and if nothing else resolves it, try from a different device entirely. It's also worth checking whether MailerLite itself is experiencing a temporary service issue. Sometimes a short wait is all it takes. You've now covered every common cause of image upload failures in MailerLite. Work through these checks in order, and you'll have your images uploading cleanly again in no time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.